Futures trading can be risky. One market crash and your account is gone. But CoinW has a solution. The Futures Protection Fund. It gives traders up to $500 protection per liquidation, and it's backed by a $500,000 monthly pool. None of this is financial advice, always do your own research, but let's dive into this. So this is CoinW, and I'll be real with you right now, guys. I have been liquidated before. A couple years back, I was holding a big futures position, and overnight the market tanked. By the time I woke up, my entire balance was wiped out. No backup, no recovery, just gone. That experience taught me how brutal futures trading can be, and that's why this protection fund caught my attention, because it's designed to prevent that exact kind of loss for traders like us. So what exactly is this? Well, it's a safety cushion for traders. If you get liquidated, you can claim compensation of up to 500 USDT, and you can do this with protection credits, and you can build these credits through 3 different ways. You can do it with regular trading, so that would just be taking trades as you normally do. You can also do it with daily check-ins. So that would just basically mean, hey, coming on, trading as you normally would do with any exchange, obviously checking in to get those credits up. And of course, the third way to gain these credits, get that compensation if you get liquidated, is through referrals. And that's super easy. If you do have an alpha group or a Telegram group, what you can do is post the link in there, explain this to them, and then yes, the more people you convert, the more protected you will be in the case of liquidation. And the credits can cover losses, of course, but they also cover fees and other things. But there is a reason why this is a must-have. First of all, peace of mind. It's nice to trade with confidence, and if the market does crash overnight while you're sleeping, then you don't have to worry about waking up to a liquidated position, and if you do, you could be compensated from it. There's a few reasons why this is a must-have, because obviously you're going to be trading on other exchanges, so you might as well do it on this and actually have the peace of mind and trade with confidence. As well as that, you can get the compensation and claim up to 500 USDT per incident. So if you do wake up liquidated, you know you do have that good buffer of potentially 500 USDT depending on your credits. And of course, accumulation. If you do trade on this platform, you will accumulate these credits over time with every trade. So your protection will just get higher and higher. And then of course, the fourth safety net here, guys, is going to be the monthly safety net. So this will be a 500k USDT fund that's refreshed every month for the traders of this platform. And it's super easy to join, guys. And if we scroll down, we can see this is the available pool right now for this month. There's still 215k in here, and you can see people have already claimed it from their liquidation positions as well. So yes, this is something that is in effect, it is working, and it's just a great reason to come over to CoinW. Now, how do you join this, guys? Super easy. All you got to do is press the link in the description, and then of course sign up via the website or via the app, and then you just build your credits through normal trading activities like trading, check-ins, and referrals. And then of course, if you do get liquidated for some reason, then you can claim instantly. So risk will always exist in trading, but CoinW has actually given us a weapon to fight back. This protection fund isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's a real money safeguarding for your trades. So think about it. If you do join today, tomorrow's liquidation could cost you $500 less because of those credits. As we saw, this month's pool is already live and it's first come, first served. So definitely join with the link in the description sooner rather than later. But as you guys are part of my community, I will sweeten the deal even further. The first 100 users who join through the link below, check the comments in the description, will get access to my exclusive trading bonus. Join in, take action, let CoinW back your trades. Let's ride this bull market together.